30-second presentations. And so I'm going to ask folks who want to give their pitch, everybody's eligible. Go ahead and we can start lining up. On stage left over here. Yep. Right. I see a line forming. And we can go ahead and get started. So yeah, y'all heard my little pitch in a second. Yeah, let's go to the 30-second lightning rounds. Awesome, thank you. All right, so yeah, your name, your company one-liner, and we'll just go through everybody. Come on up, Declan.
I got it. Yeah, those stairs were they were trouble. All right, yeah. Hey everyone, I'm Declan. I'm one of the founders of Hyperbeam, and we sell an API that lets developers add apps and games to their 3D virtual worlds. So basically, most popular apps that people use exist outside of these 3D worlds, and we use cloud streaming to allow developers to embed them into their 3D worlds. So they're multiplayer off the bat, audio and video is synced, and you can bring any application you want into the Metaverse. So yeah, that's us. If you're interested, feel free to email me or check out our website. Thanks.
All right, navigating in here. It's quite the challenge. All right, so hey, my name is John Blackman. I am the CTO at ELB Learning, and we help you create better learning experiences. Hey, Rich. And so, here today we're kind of showcasing our product Scenario VR, which is actually a VR authoring tool. So it's purpose built to create VR training, and it's as simple to use as PowerPoint. So something kind of new and novel to this space. Love to show it to you. Love to talk about it. I'm over here in the booth right here at the front. So come on by.
Hi everyone, my name is Alina. I represent company VAR Studio. We're based in Ukraine. Unfortunately, our CEO could not join due to Russian missile attack today on the country, so they lost connection at the moment, unfortunately. But our company creates VR and XR solutions for business. We help them enter the Metaverse and launch their presence there. So I'd like to talk to you a little more, network, and maybe get in touch and put you in touch with my teammates who definitely can tell you more about their tools and more about the products they made. Thank you.
Well, my name is Hans Carlson, and I'm the CTO of Mimir. We are a VR studio in Japan. So my time now is 4 o'clock in the morning, and so that's part of the problem. To travel have been very hard during the pandemic, and we are specializing on making bits and pieces available to Japan anywhere, anytime. So we're building 3D models, and we're going to put up our best model so far on the Engage platform next month, I think. It's going to be a Zen temple, a real Zen temple that you all can access, and you can meet the actual Zen abbot there and have a Zen sessions and so on and so forth. The idea is to cross borders for anybody, and to have them to meet Japanese people, and the Japanese people are very shy, so they like to be in a comfortable environment. So that's why we're making this temple. So you will be able to come there next month, and you will be able to see a natural treasure in there as well. We're going to use this as a stage for communication across borders and time zones. In spite of my early time zone now, I'm happy to meet you here. So. Thank you, and please come and see our website, mimi.world. You can see the email address on top of here as well. Thank you.
Hey everyone, my name is Sid Desai. I'm the founder and CEO of Rocket VR Health. My co-founder Nick Bassett is here as well. At Rocket VR, we are developing embodied virtual reality meditation and therapeutic experiences that help reduce anxiety, stress, and depression and improve overall mental health. We are focused right now on working with health systems and healthcare systems in the US and partnered with multiple systems to validate and clinically bring our products out to market. And we're looking to launch our consumer-focused meditation group and solo meditation app in the app stores the next 3 months. So happy to answer any questions about medical and therapeutic VR if you have any. Thank you for having us here.
I'm the CEO and founder of Immerse. Immerse makes it easy to create, share, and play 3D immersive video. Creators can capture real people in real world scenes with their iPhone Pro cameras using the Immerse Capture app and upload to the Immerse Cloud platform for content preparation and streaming. Viewers can play back the 3D immersive video on their phones or in a browser and controlling navigation with 6 degrees of freedom so they can view the content from any position or angle. We provide apps for end users and SDKs and APIs for developers. We're seeking creators to create content, and our Capture app and platform are currently free to use. So contact us at info@vermerse.net for more info or talk to me later. Thank you.
Hey, how's it going? My name is Michael Chen. I am a founder of Inkverse. We actually own the largest tattoo supply company in the world in real life. And now what we're doing is we're bringing that, and we want to basically help artists onboard their tattoos and their designs and the creators to put their designs into the digital form. So with new worlds and also even in the NFT space, so that we could have digital ownership of those tattoos. So yeah, just very happy to be here. Thanks.
Everyone, I'm Gijs Bitter, one of the co-founders of Sense Club, and we enable touch in XR. We create wearable and scalable haptic and force feedback gloves that allow you to interact in a normal way or in the real life manner inside VR and AR. And this helps you creating more immersive environments, cooler experiences, but obviously also enables you to have real life interactions inside digital environments, which helps you to create better training outcomes. And that's especially what we're looking for today. We're looking for VR studios, XR studios that will take the next step in VR training in implementing haptics into their virtual training scenarios. Looking forward to meet you all, or shoot me an email at gijs@senseclub.com.
All right. Who's up next? I know. Yeah, come on up.
Wonderful meeting everyone. I'm Louise Froberg. I'm the founder of Tara Quest, and Tara Quest is a community for women to train leadership in and through the metaverse. So we want women to get really confident and overcome imposter syndrome through role playing, through simulating situations like giving feedback, like negotiating a salary. And we use different platforms for that in VR, in gaming worlds like Minecraft. We have just wrapped up our first 6 weeks leadership cohort and have received amazing results. And we're now currently looking into creating self-guided experiences and looking for a tech stack that can work with that, a low code or no code creation tool, and would love to partner, would love to, discover new tools. And also for all the women in tech who would love to hear more, I'd be open and happy to share.
Hello, my name is Rob. I'm the founder of Remote Dev. So we specialize in recruitment for engineers in North America and Latin America. And so if anyone's looking for engineers in Web3, full stack, backend, or anything like that, DevOps, I'm happy to discuss with you and see if we can get you some really good engineers hired. Thanks.
All right. Hey guys, my name is Paul. I'm from Character, and Character is building APIs for synthetic speech inside games and apps. So if you've ever wanted to add synthetic voices into applications or games, including real-time speech-to-speech conversion, we're the company that's releasing an API in the next couple weeks. So just talk to me if you're interested in generative speech and tech. We're building a bunch of stuff in that world. Thanks.
All right. Anybody else want to come up for pitches before we move on to networking? Yeah, come on up.
So, can folks hear me? I'm Nicole Lazaro, and for those of you who I haven't met, among other things, I designed the first iPhone game and measured emotion, was the first person to measure emotion on people's faces. The 4 keys to fun, that framework, is used by millions of leading developers around the world, and is baked into the AI for The Sims, inspired IBM's emotion analytics, and led to this thing we call gamification. So I've worked on all kinds of fun things such as Myst and Star Wars, as well as enterprise, such as IBM and iFluence, which is an eye tracking operating system that was bought by Google. So a serial innovator. We're also creating Follow the White Rabbit, which is a mind-bending XR adventure about a magician whose magic one day suddenly works. And I'm here today looking to connect with others about the Metaverse strategy if you need consulting or design consulting. And also we create, Zio Design creates proof of concepts, both for enterprise and for games using, all of the latest tech, or maybe something that maybe it isn't even out yet. So I'm on one of the panels a little bit later. Looking forward to connecting and talking with all of you. Thanks.
Hey everybody, my name is William Sanford. I'm a partner at Sephiroth Consulting. We make brand experiences worth sharing. We specialize in hybrid, physical, and virtual events, and it sounds like I've got a lot to chat about with many of you.
Can you hear me? All right. Hi, everybody. My name is Masa from Sense. We provide this 3D haptics technology. So if anybody interested in learning about directional haptics, which is really cool, I wish I'd be there in person and then showing more haptics so you can actually feel it. But we developed the 3D haptic technology, also tools and middleware solution for the game developers. If you really wanted to create a really better haptics solution, please talk to me. And also, I'll be in the CES also we're gonna exhibit at the GDC 2023 next year. So if you're coming to the event, please stop by our booth. Thank you.
All right, we got time for maybe one or two more folks. If there's anybody else who wants to come up, come on up.
Hey everyone, my name is Michael Gold. I'm with a company called Shaderverse, and we're making it possible for games and metaverse experiences to support generative and user-generated 3D NFTs at scale. It can be very complicated to get assets made that work in both NFT marketplaces and also inside of game engines. So we're enabling this through open source creator tools that are built on top of Blender, as well as graphics pipeline infrastructure that we've built. So happy to talk about with anyone who's trying to get content brought into games and metaverse applications. Please find me. Again, my name is Michael Gold. And
Awesome, awesome. Very, very excited about all the companies here today. Very excited about meeting each and every one of you. We're going to move into our Expo networking now. Many of you have already been connected over email. A lot of you who spoke have booths, exhibitor booths in the Expo, so please check them out. And yeah, since there is more space for networking in the Expo Hall, I would like to direct everybody into the Expo Hall for networking now. Thank you, everybody. Have a good conference. And one more reminder, you can click on the name tag above people's heads to go to their website, go to their email. Make sure you fill out your own profile as well. Thank you. See you out there.